welcome to the channel. What I'm doing right now is I'm running errands. I've done a few grocery shopping. I forgot to take you guys along, but yeah, right now I'm at Accra Mall. I need to get a few things from here and then I move to my next location. Okay, so see you guys pretty soon.
Yeah, but then they move, they remember. I need to move. Hello.
Oh,
So quickly move.
Zara, now leave there, leave there, leave there. It's okay. Leave there, leave there. What?
Should surrender right now, Mama.
I'm tired.
I think you should surrender.
This is what happens when you walk into a shop and you just want to buy a few things, but because they are on sales, you're picking more items. Okay, so this was where I came to. Like, I only needed my scrub, you know, but upon getting here, I realized that they were also having sales. And now look at my basket. See, the place is practically empty. They are closing down, so they are having some sales. This is banana, by the way, on the Springtex Road. Hey, are you happy?
Yes.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
But how come all this place dark, no light,
Lights off.
no street lights? Oh, you guys say hello to the camera.
Hello. Oh,
Are you live?
Are you live?
Hi, good evening.
Okay. White with.
Beautiful. Natural.
After a stressful day.
Yes. Oh. Cheers.
Thank you. We're testing to
No,
good
it's
light.
wet. Yeah. My face is dark on this side.
Yeah, but now I think you're doing something to the camera. You're looking like you're a Yankee.
Oh, thank you.
Better life.
Na money killer.
Looks nice though. I hope the food will not take forever to come.
This is nice with the
I think the butter.
with the butter. No, even without the butter, it's nice. Yeah, it's nicer with the butter.
Yeah, the bread. That's why I don't want to eat again. Have it for our own enjoyment.
Every little
It's
thing
your
like
money.
this.
Cannot be. suffering to make money and not eating it.
Got too overwhelming, so I started running. It stopped being fun and making myself numb isn't helping. I got to learn to deal with the way I feel. If this is reality, don't know what I expected. Just for a moment.
Yeah, that's true. Guys, you really gotta wake up. I have no idea where I'm going with this right now. Oh my god.
I like it.
Moment I can't put this down. Things are getting crazy, lately I'm in hazy. Oh, and I've been praying someone will come and save me. The birds are flying south, I'm frozen in my doubt. Got no way to go from here, so I'll stick around. Just for a moment I can't put this down. Baby, just for a moment, drown these voices out. Slow burn, mind is a world away. And I'm not gonna come back for anyone else. And I don't wanna come down and be by myself. Slow burn, stay here and watch the flame. Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. That was clever, now I'm feeling better. Even though I know that this feeling won't last forever. I tapped into a space, I found my escape that I can come back to anytime I want. Just for a moment I can't put this down. Just for a moment, drown these voices out. Yeah, slow burn, mind is a world away. And I'm not gonna come back for anyone else. And I don't wanna come down and be by myself. Slow burn, stay here and watch the flame. Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. All my problems and doubts, I'm gonna figure them out at another time. This moment is mine, this moment is mine. If I remember to breathe, let it be. It's part of the design, it's okay to not know everything.
Hi, how are you guys doing? It's been a minute since I spoke with you guys. Like, I've not even spoken at all in these vlogs. I don't know why. I mean, maybe I actually completely forget that I put my camera on and I just do my own thing, you know. Yeah, so let's see how the day goes. Today is Saturday, by the way, and I'm going to the breast cancer screening today. And as you can see, I have touch of pink somewhere on me. Yeah, so let's enjoy this ride. Okay, let's go. I hope there's no traffic on this place on Saturday. There's traffic at that side. Traffic these days, like, I can't even deal. What? I cannot deal. It's not even December yet. It's October, yeah. But December, what is Accra going to be like? What? I can't deal. Anyways, you guys, hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing fantastic. I'm feeling fabulous in pink. Okay. Yeah. So let me.
I'm Kwame and you are...
You are Kwame?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Rodia.
Rodia.
Yes, please. Nice meeting you.
And what's yours?
Sarah.
Zala. Right. Okay, straight.
Straight up?
Yeah, and then left.
Okay, left. Hello. Okay. Okay, so I just sit, huh? Oh, okay.
Breast self-examination.
Self-breast examination. Okay.
So this one we are going to teach you how to do it.
Examine ourselves.
Yes. So every month, 5 to 7 days after your menses,
Okay.
you repeat it yourself in the house.
Okay.
So when you are coming to repeat it, you place one hand here. On these 4 fingers, you bring them together and then place it on the breast. So in a circular motion, it can be
You just keep going.
You don't skip.
You don't skip.
You move all around the breast
Okay.
till you get to the nipple area. You press it a bit harder, and then when you are done and you don't feel any lump under,
Yeah.
you press the nipple for any possible discharge.
Discharge.
If the discharge has no color, then you are free. But if it has a color like green, yellow, red, then you need to visit the clinic.
Okay.
And you are done
With the
Yes.
left side, and
Yes.
then after that you
you
alternate.
alternate to the
Okay.
other one. Same procedure.
Okay.
If you find anything unusual, you report to the nearest clinic.
Okay.
So every month, 5 to 7 days after.
After 5 to 7 days after your period.
Do you get it now?
So I'm done with the screening and I just got this. I believe I need to read. Yeah, so.
Mind is a world away, and I'm not gonna come back for anyone else. I don't wanna come down and be by myself. Slow burn, stay here and watch the flame. Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. Don't sit and tell me I'm pretty while you sip Jameson. Don't make me wanna stick around until the party ends.
Okay, done with the breast screening. Now heading to the next destination. Zara has a party to go. Yeah, so and this pink cocktail was really nice.
It's not cocktail. It's
Oh, sorry,
lemonade.
pink lemon. It was really nice.
Yeah,
You guys, the weather is so hot. As in, it's really hot. What's this drink again? Lemonade?
lemonade, pink lemonade.
That lemonade, I think that's about the 3rd cup I'm going for. This one is like to go. This is what I'm coming with. It's really refreshing. Oh boy. So I will see you guys a bit later. I'll film Zara shortly when I get to the, what's it called now?
Splash and place.
To the party. It's a water birthday thing. So one thing I really like about Ghana is the way they do their parties is way different from how they do it in Nigeria. Here they are just more about the kids having fun, like that is it. So even most times people say, oh, they are having a play date, but the play date is someone's birthday party. So what I'm just trying to say is basically they just play. That is all it is. Like they hardly get MCs. So maybe because I'm an expert, maybe that's why. It's even on your nose.
Bad reputation, so what? I'm into it. I'm into it. You look like I'm gonna have another day.
done eating? Exactly. Somebody's giving me a thumbs up there. Let me see your moving mouth. Aha.
Make you look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
How old are you now? How old are you now? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11? Stop!